Isa ka common nga problema sa operations on integers amo ang multiplication kag division of integers. Kaya nga ang rules sang nagakwanta, sang naga-addition and subtraction, okay na tani. Inabalang kung parehos ang sign, parehos. Kaso ano yung nag-multiplication and division, nagasuli. So ang atong obrahon is, I'm going to teach you a mnemonic. Ang mnemonic, inabalang kapanawag ka mnemonyo. Hindi na siya mo. Ang aton nga mnemonic is a memory technique para hapos natin matandaan ang isa ka bagay. So, tuluan ta kamo sa isa ka mnemonic about sa aton nga multiplication and division of integers. Ipakita ko sa inyo, are magic ni siya. Wow! Okay, so this is the mnemonic para mag-multiplication and division of integers. Basahon ta na, kitungod ka balot magbasa. Good things staying is good. Bad things living, at inagalin siya, at good bang gyapon. Okay. Good things living, at bad na siya kung ang mga namin na tanin naghinalin pa. Tapos, bad things staying is bad. Inabalang panghalit na lang ubraya, proara pa siya gyapon. Ano pang may mota, that's bad. Okay, sige. So, this is our mnemonic, and we will apply it sa aton multiplication na. Sige, multiplication. By the way, kung symbolize ta sa multiplication sa integers, hindi na ta magamit sa multiplication symbol nga x, like this, the times symbol, kay tungod, dako na ta. Okay? So, ang ating nga gamiton, we will now use parentheses. Mga parentheses bala, meaning sina, gina-multiply mo ning duwa ho. Okay? Hindi nyo pagmali siya, parentheses na siya. Okay, another way para ma-express natin ang multiplication is you can use isa ka dot. Okay, that's when you multiply. Usually, kung may period, hindi ka pwede ka multiply, pero sa algebra, pwede gina siya. Okay, so ano natin nga gamiton, this one and this one. Dugay-dugay, makatuon pa kita sa other ways of expressing multiplication. For this one, we will not use this one, danay. Okay? Sige, so ano siyang ginagamit sa higher math. Erase ko ni danay. Okay, so na-erase na siya. Paano ni siya gamiton ang aton nga mnemonic? For example, good things staying is good. Ang meaning sina, when you say good things, positive. Staying, positive man nagyapon. Is good. Positive gyapon. Okay? So meaning, positive times positive equals na siyang is positive. Example. Simple lang danay. Okay? 7 times 3. 7 times 3. Notice, ang ginamit ko is the parenthesis. 7 times 3 equals 21. Positive 7 times positive 3 equals positive 21. Next. Bad things leaving is good. Ano naman niya ang bad things? At ang bad, negative na siya. So, negative times leaving. Leaving is also negative. Okay, negative times negative is, meaning equals. Good is positive. So, negative times negative is positive. Example, negative 7 times negative 3 equals, diba? Negative times negative equals positive 21. Correct man? Correct. Ako nagsabat. Okay, so good things leaving is bad. Positive, hindi magiyo. Negative ang leaving. Positive times negative equals, siyang bad. It's negative. Okay, so positive times negative equals negative. Okay, so for example, positive 7 times negative 3 equals negative 21. Okay, bad things stay. Katak-tak pa rin taklob. Okay, so bad things staying is bad. Bad things, negative. Staying, negative. Equals bad. That's negative. Ang staying is positive. Sure nga. Okay, so bad thing staying is bad. When you say bad thing staying, negative. times positive equals negative. So negative times positive equals negative. Negative 7 times positive 3 equals negative 21. And that's how you do multiplication of integers. What if division? Sige, erase. Okay, so division, instead of using ang usual nga division symbol, which is this one, ano tawag sina? You call this the obolus. Okay, so once you know it's called the obolus, it should be obvious. Pero hindi tani siya paggamiton ang obolus. We are going to use the fraction bar to denote division. So again, good things staying is good. Positive divided by positive is positive. Okay, example lang para hapos. 16 divided by 4. Okay, that's a fraction, but it also indicates 16 divided by 4. So 16 divided by 4, positive times positive times divide. Okay, so positive 16 divided by 4 is equal to positive 4. Okay, so positive 16 divided by 4, that is positive 4. Next, bad things leaving is good. So let's say, for example, negative 16 divided by negative 4. Hindi ba lang si Kikiyo? So negative 16 divided by negative 4 is equal to positive 4. Nga negative divided by negative is equal to positive. If you want, pwede mo maniobrahon. Negative 16 divided by negative 4, ang mga negative makancel, may mo siya positive. 16 divided by 4, positive 4 gyapon. What if positive divided by negative is equal to negative? Well, let's try. Positive 16 divided by negative 4 equals, ano be? Okay, so that's equal to 4. Pero, one is positive, one is negative. This will be negative. Okay, if you notice my pattern nga, if you have the same sign, okay, and you divide or multiply, the answer will be positive. And if you divide opposite signs, the answer will be negative. Actually, pwede man na siya. Gusto ko lang yung pabudlayan ko, galingon ko. So, bad things staying is bad. So, negative divided by positive is equal to negative. So, negative divided by positive, let's try. Negative 16 divided by positive 4 equals negative 4. Negative 16 divided by positive 4 equals negative 4. If you have opposite signs and you're dividing or multiplying them, the answer will be negative. Okay, padakoon lang ang period. So those are the 4 operations on integers. So thank you so much for listening. Paano ko ni tapuson man? Okay, so those are the 4 operations on integers. Thank you so much for listening. Maraming salamat po. I'll see you next time. Nag-iisip na yan.